Hello, I'm Margot.
Hello, I'm Clark.
We are Kitchen Mart customers.
We are really pleased with how it turned out. Much better than what we had before.
I really liked all the Kitchen Mart personnel when I was in a quandary on choosing different items for the kitchen.
I was really impressed that they would spend that much time with us. What colors, and did we go with light cabinets? And how do we contrast that with the countertop that we're going to change?
They gave me input, and all that was very helpful and reassuring. What I like was that a Kitchen Mart was able to customize and do extra features in my kitchen, putting in a wine rack, changing drawers to cabinets. The workers were courteous, friendly. We felt very comfortable having them in our home, and that made the job so much more relaxing for us.
They lay out a schedule for you, and they stick to that schedule. When it was all done, it kind of blew us away how nice it looked. It was like, whoa, this turned out to be so much nicer than what we had envisioned going in. We were really pleased with how it all turned out.
We both smile when we go into our kitchen now, everything looking so new, contemporary. And I'm a cook, so now it's even more fun to work in my kitchen and make new creations.
Our neighbors are probably getting tired of hearing us talk about it, but it's beautiful.
No one does it better than KitchenMart.com.